how to play CryptoBlades. You're gonna need three things to start playing this game. One is a wallet, two is BNB for the gas, and three, of course, is a skill, the main currency of CryptoBlades. To get skill, you can go on apeswap.binance, go trade, exchange, and you can then exchange your BNB to skill contract here, or if you have already, select how much BNB you want and swap here for a skill. So after getting BNB and skill in your wallet, in your Binance Smart Chain wallet, you're gonna connect it here with MetaMask, accept the configuration, accept to connect your wallet to the game. So after that, you're gonna reach Plaza Lounge here on CryptoBlades, where you're gonna be able to buy your first character. So there is two ways you can buy the character. You can recruit one, so you're gonna generate a new fresh character, or you can go on the market, buy your first character. How to level up your character and earn more skill. So when you fight, you're gonna earn XP, right? When you win the fight, you earn around 27 to 35 XP. So when you get XP, it goes accumulating over here, up here on the screen for each character, right? So when you have enough and you wanna level up, for the next level, I'm gonna get 7.95% more. So it's very good sometimes to level up. So you're gonna click here on the XP bar and confirm the transaction as always, and it's gonna go I don't think I'm gonna reach here the cap 5. Oh, maybe I'm gonna get to level 51. So that's very interesting. In this case, is a very good moment to level up. You see, I'm 51 this, and this I earn a lot more when I reach certain levels like this. How to stake your skill and earn 50% bonus that you can spend on minting swords and maybe profit selling those swords. So what you're gonna have to do to stake your skill, you're gonna click here on stake and go for skill, the middle stake, and go select. There is this stake all of unclaimed rewards, 0.47. It's this rewards you're gonna be stacking here, and you're gonna click down there and you're gonna accept the transaction from here to here. So it's gonna be locked for 7 days. So it's gonna be locked for 7 days, and every time you do it again, it won't reset the clock. So the 7 is gonna go straight away to 0, and you're gonna be able then to unstake and do whatever do you want with your skill. So how to create swords? You're gonna go to blacksmith, up left corner here of the screen, and then you're gonna go to the left one here, forge. So that's how you create swords on this game, using the in-game only skill that I earned it on stacking. So let's go see if we get lucky. You're gonna click here, confirm. That's the way we're gonna be able to create 3 swords right now. There are 5 stars or 5 levels that you can mint. 5 stars is the highest one you can get. How to list and sell your swords on the market. Let's list a sword here on the market. We're gonna be able to sell and make a nice profit with the swords you create. I'm gonna start with this one, 3-star sword here. I'm gonna list weapon. Let's put 37 skill. I think that might work. Okay, so you're gonna confirm here. The thing also, you can see successfully listed weapon for 0.37 skill. Search NFTs and click here search. You're gonna show your weapons that are listed on the market. I'm gonna show you how to do some reforging with your weapons. If you have a very nice weapon and you use that weapon a lot, one thing you want to do is reforge that weapon. What is reforging? Reforge is gonna give a bonus to that weapon. Click here on the weapon you wanna see the bonus. Click here on earning calculator. Click calculate. You're gonna see here this is gonna be making $34. So if I add bonus, it's gonna give 35.9. So it's an increase on the amount of bonus you get. $2 more per day, a big amount in the end of the day. You see $4,000 88, $4,000 307. So in the end it pays off. You're gonna click reforge. Here's the weapon you're gonna increase, and here's the weapon you're gonna burn. Let's burn this one. Let's see, choose burn weapon. We're gonna confirm that we are burning this one. We are having 3 times bonus right now. This is incredible. This is a very exciting time to do this tutorial now. You got, let's see here, 45 bonus power. That's amazing. How to use earning calculator. To use earning calculator, you're gonna go here on blacksmith and click the weapon you wanna calculate. So let's, for example, choose this Ankitarla Chariot with this level 5 here, right? So let's click here, earning calculator. It's gonna show you the exact same attributes we just choose. So the same character attributes, 34 fire, and the same weapon attributes. So it's like this, perfect. You're gonna click here, calculate. So it's gonna show you here how much profit you're gonna be making daily. So if you lose 0 barrels, you're gonna win this. If you have 4 characters and don't lose any battle in the day, you're gonna earn this amount daily. And for example, if you lose like 1 battle per day, and in the month you're gonna get $1,476. So that's it guys, very easy.